Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphela-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungasamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngaphuthi izindaba ngazo njengamanje ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje ngitheleke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke we-MK-ke laphana-ke ofike ngqo ka-Checkers-ke laphana-ke wamuqonda emehlweni-ke umlungu-ke obengasiholeli-ke isisebenzi kwaze kwaphela-ke izinyanga-ke ezingu-8-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi wezwa ngami ngokuningi phela into nje dlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzibonele wena-ke uzwele ukuthi kuthiwani. Mina ngicela phansi uzweleke le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke futhi uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangiqhasa nje wenze kulungile ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizoloke ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke ukuze ngakuphuthi-ke iy'ndaba-ke lezo-ke ungakwenza njengamanje ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
I'm not really happy about you, George. I'm here in ShopRite. No, George, I'm here in ShopRite. I'm not happy the way you treated the customer. The customer for 8 months waiting for his salary. No, George, wait, George. George, wait. I'm recording you. Me and you, we're recording. Let's talk. This is not right. This is not fair.
Don't hold.
No, this is not fair. No, this is not fair. The customer has been waiting for his salary for 8 months. You are in charge of the shop. Huh? You are in charge of this shop. You can't live like this, eh? Abantu bakithi batrithwa njenge for 8 months ubaba angatholi salary yakhe la. Kuba ngizanga benga uyithole baba. This is wrong. Why umalengisa George? You must bring him here, man. No, thank you, my sister. Ne? Thank you very much. At least you've done a good job.
At least you was
for 8 months ubaba ngatholi salary yakhe. Siyabonga baba ne. Ngishoko baba.
Sesitholile manje.
After 8 months sila Checkers. Ubaba bamrobha imali yakhe for 8 months angayitholi isalary yakhe. Kube ungibizanga ukuthi bengeke uyithole le mali yakho baba.
Bengeke iphume.
No, ubaba nangu usayithola imali yakhe yesasa.
Ngiyabonga.
For 8 months la Checkers. Bebengafuna nami ngicustomer. Nami ngicustomer la Checkers. No, wayisayinela manje baba imali yakhe. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sizolwa umkhonto ufikile ungenele umkhonto. Azidlali. Siyalungisa. Angeke baze basithenge. Abo Johan Rupert ngeke basithenge mama. Yasayina manje baba.
Thomas.
Unawo.
Phone number is 072.
Sayina baba usalele imali yakho. For 8 months.
314 1661.
161.
Babukle. Wayithola imali yakhe manje la Checkers. Imali yakhe since bambela yona since from last year September. So ngimlwele uyayithola imali yakhe namhlanje. Siyabonga.